Quaranteens, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Stranger Alex, and today we are doing a cooking with Alex, and today we are making a banana bread chaos. So first we have all our ingredients here, and we need to wash our hands. First thing we need to do, soap. Make sure to wash your hands very thoroughly. And we have our towel, and that was the first step. Now we need to get all our ingredients ready. First, we need 1/2 of a cup of butter. We already have that here. It is softened. And next we need 1 cup of granulated sugar, which we have our sugar right here. It's a lot of sugar. And next we have 2 eggs, which they need to be beaten. And we have our beaten eggs here. And so I didn't record beating the eggs because I had to pull out shells and it was very much chaos. That's why chaos is in this name. And next we need 3 bananas. Have our bananas here. And as you see, 2 of them broke off and they are very bruised, which makes them more delicious. And if you have 4, it makes it more delicious, but 3 is all we have. Our bruised 3 bananas. Beautiful. Next we need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, which our flour is right here. We had some trouble because it's very hard to get out of this bag. And so next we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which our tablespoon is right here. And so next we need 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, which is in our little orange home. Next, our last and final ingredient, we need 1.5 of a teaspoon of vanilla. And now for our directions. So we have removed all of our odd pots and pans. So many odd things in this house. And we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So bake on the oven, 350. So as soon as it beeps, we'll go ahead and mess with the oven some more. So now we need to cream together butter and sugar. Okay, so butter, sugar, chaos. All you need to make a perfect thing. So now we need to mix. I already failed. So this is very hard to mix because, well, I'm chaos, so I got butter on me already. I think I'm gonna need a little help. So I'm gonna have Mom do it. So while Mom is mixing like sugar and butter, next we need to add eggs and crush the bananas. So, uno banana. Let's peel this banana. It smells really good. So guys, smell this banana. It smells really good. So let's get this banana in the bowl. Yeah, put our trash there. Oh, gross. So we are almost done peeling this beautiful masterpiece of bananas. So we have our banana, number 1 banana, putting in there. I think I'm not going to pick that up because, yeah. This one I'm going to break in half. I meant to do that with the first banana, but no. I already put it in there, and I already put some egg on it. Egg yolk. Oh, guys. It's kind of gross. This one's actually the grossest. The strings. Oh. So now we need to get the strings off, even though it's fine. Alright, that's all the strings I see. And okay, so last banana. I think I'm going to go ahead and smash these a little bit so I have room for our last banana. Smash. So
get a new one.
Yep, I'm gonna wash this.
Okay.
Technical difficulties, guys. Got a little wet. Alright. Banana crushing time. So I think we have enough of crushing these bananas. And now let's get the last banana. This very bruised banana. I think this one is the least bruised actually. So the least bruised for last. That's what I say. I kind of want to eat this banana right now. But we shall taste it with the bread. Let's get the strings off. It's all strings I see. Boop! Bananas. They're good for you. And they're delicious. Sorry, I said that wrong. Delicious!
Do you know what important vitamin bananas have in them?
No.
Potassium. You know what potassium's really good for?
What?
If you have leg cramps.
Yes, I have them all the time.
Yep. Also drink more water. Usually leg cramps are a dehydration thing.
That's a lesson for you. I drink water all the time. When I don't want milk or anything else that we have in this house, I drink water. Oh my god, guys. Actually, like, really chunky. I'm gonna get these things out of the way since we don't need them anymore. I'm gonna put them over here. I want to get copyrighted, so don't look it up. Please. Put this. Guys, look at this. It looks gross, but I'm excited to eat this banana bread. Why did the banana cross the road?
Oh God, why?
So it can get egged.
I hear people groaning across the internet. Congratulations.
Sorry, guys. Interesting fact that I love bananas, and one of my friends, he loves everything. He literally eats everything except bananas. He hates bananas. And so I think this is enough. So we're gonna put this to the side real quick. All right, so next we have to add, okay, we can't put that to the side yet. We have to add this butter and sugar. Don't drop this in bowl, Alexis. Nope, just sticking. Okay. Put in there. Please. Oh. The oven's still waiting for this chaos to be on and over. The oven is almost done, guys, so we will use that in a little bit. We need a little bit more. I think that's good. So guys, this looks very weird, guys. That looks kind of good. I don't know, I like gross stuff. Interesting fact. The fact about me. This video is actually turning very well, guys. I'm not failing at anything.
Okay, I think you're ready for the dry ingredient bowl. So put that aside.
So let's put this aside. I'm gonna put this in the sink because oven's good. All right, so we'll get back to the oven later. And I have bananas everywhere. So guys, we need to add all the dry ingredients. So first, let's get our flour. In the sink you go. Next, we need to add more flour. Yay! Flour for you and flour for you. Next, we need to get our baking soda. Next, salt. Our last dry.
No. What's last after that?
And vanilla. Okay, so 1/2 teaspoon. Oh, that's exactly what we need. Okay, so guys, interesting part. We're putting this aside so you guys can watch this, because, ew. It's gonna be beautiful, guys.
Do it over top of the banana stuff. Yep.
So a little too much. Okay, so I forgot to add the vanilla in here, but we are going to mix this, and I'm going to put this away. Over here, you got good vanilla. Alright, so let's mix this. It smells so good, guys. It smells like banana and chocolate. Banana and chocolate's very yummy and chunky. Okay, so we also need to mix this. Okay, so what do we have to mix this with? Okay, so last spoon of the day. So mix this very well. I'm definitely washing my hands after this.
All right.
I think this is good.
Okay.
Guys, I don't think we overmixed. The directions say don't overmix.
Well, that's when they mix it all together.
Ew. Now that we've mixed all the dry ingredients, we need to mix all of them together now. So, 4:30 now. Okay, off you go. And off you go. So now, this looks like it would be cake batter. I'm washing everything out after this. So guys, if I overmix, chaos will come and get me. Which, fun.
Take it and smack. Here. Look. Look. Scoot it this way. Look. Go. Now go. You want it all wet, but you don't want it too mixed, okay? So you don't want it to look dry anymore. But you don't want it so mixed that it's like blended.
Like this.
A little bit more. See all that dry stuff?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so guys.
The key to quick breads, and this is banana or banana nut bread, is the same as like zucchini bread and friendship bread and all that stuff. It's a quick bread. You don't want to overmix. It's kind of like pancakes. If you overmix them, they just don't turn out right. It's the same thing.
I think this is good.
Yeah, we're going to go with that.
Okay, so I'm going to get this out. Okay. So next we are going to put all of this in here.
Mm-hmm.
Probably not overflow. Just saying. Oh my gosh.
Okay, you're going to need to scoop it out.
Oh, I didn't mix all of it thoroughly. There we I think we got it.
Okay.
So now let's put this in the sink.
Right, shake it a little bit.
We're gonna shake this.
There you go.
It is well good. So now it's bake for 350 degrees for 55 minutes, which we will see you guys after that. So. I might burn myself. So we're gonna put that in here. See you after 55 minutes. So our banana bread is done. It's very hot, but just to make sure that it is all the way done, you need a toothpick. And you need to poke it, and nothing should come off of it, but if there's like stuff on it, then it's not done. But this took over an hour. We had to do 4 more minutes, and I already sliced myself a piece, and I'm gonna taste it. More of the bread. It's really good. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe. Stay nice to each other. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye, guys.